have done hundreds of literature reviews in the past few years, and I realized that to come up with that perfect literature review, you need to have certain skills. However, many people have now started using ChatGPT to come up with an outline or to do their literature reviews. These people have also started realizing that ChatGPT is not only giving you fake citations and references, but the content provided by ChatGPT is quite generic, which is not at all good for your literature review. So what can you do as a fresher or a person who does not have much experience in doing literature reviews? What can you do? So I have this wonderful tool for you which you can use instead of ChatGPT to come up with the best literature review. Watch this video till very end as I walk you through the best features of this tool, and don't forget to like and subscribe. And I would also like to know which tool do you use for your literature reviews, so please comment down the tool that you use for doing your literature reviews. Now without much delay, let's start with the video. Okay, so the name of the tool is Taskade Ai, and as they say, it is an AI powered productivity tool, and this is literally a second brain for you and your teams. Now I will be talking about three of its major features, which are you can chat with AI. Of course, that is now a very common feature, but this is something different. You can have visualized notes, you can turn your ideas into actions with AI, and finally you can redefine your workflows with this AI. So let's discuss its three features. Let's start from the very beginning. So first, what you have to do is you can simply type Taskade AI on Google and the website will open. Then you will have to start with AI. It will ask for your email, and you can simply put your email and sign up. After signing up with your email ID, you will see all of its features. Let's move on to the very first feature, which is creation of agents. You will have to simply create an agent, and you can give it a name, and you will have a prompt. Obviously you can view all the points, and there you will also have to select special category, which is researcher, and then you will be seeing a lot of options. So you will have to select anything like systematic literature review. A lot of things are there. So in this example, I will select a systematic literature review, and then I will view the prompts, and then I can change the tone of my content. So I will do it formal, and then I will update it. Once I update it, it will take a few moments, and then I can start conversation. So I can ask anything based on my topic. So here you can see that I can enter my research topic. The prompt is provided by Taskade, and I am just entering my area of research here. Once it is done, I will enter the field. Let's say the field in my case is marketing. You can enter your field, and once this is done, you can simply proceed further. Also, there are some more prompts. After proceeding further, now you can see that it's giving you everything like title, what could be your background, your objectives, your methods. Along with that, it's also giving you inclusion and exclusion criteria, what could be your sources of information, what could be your search strategy, where will you keep the records, which tools can you use. But you will notice one thing, that unlike ChatGPT, it's just giving you a plan. You get my point. It's not giving you the exact content. It's just giving you the ideas. It's just giving you the plan. How can you proceed ahead? What points to be considered, etc. Once this agent is created, you will have to simply copy this agent again and again, and this will save your time. So this is how I feel that this feature is a game changer, as well as this is, something we call ethical use of AI. After this amazing feature, let's move on to the second feature, which is you can generate your project with AI. So you can have a task list, mind map, flowchart, meeting agenda, outline, planner, SOP, anything you want. So you just have to select one of those options, and then you will have to select tone. Let's say in this case it will be a formal tone. So after selecting the tone, I then need to add a source. So it can be any source, a YouTube link, document, anything. So it will take a guide from the source that you upload. After you are done with that, You just need to enter your requirement. Like in this case, I am entering flowchart for influencer marketing and impact of AI influencers. And you can again see that I have selected all the options. Now it will create a project, like it will create a flowchart for you on influencer marketing and impact of AI influencers on business. You can see that it's giving you the ideas. Again, it's not giving you the exact content. So this is, again, we call it ethical use of AI, wherein you are not generating any content, you are using AI to boost your productivity. So this flow can help you in creating a conceptual framework for your literature review. This flowchart can help you in doing a lot of things while doing a literature review. And here we are with the third and the most amazing feature of this tool, which is you can summarize any of your document. You simply have to upload your document and then you can talk to your document. Like you can ask any questions from that particular document and this tool will answer your all the queries. So once it analyzes your document, it will summarize the document. Once you have the summary, you can ask question. You will see that in later part of this clip. So you can see that it has provided everything, like what is included in table of contents, what is the major theme of the document, what are the theoretical frameworks involved, what are the case studies involved, what is the conclusion of this particular paper. Everything is included in this summary. And once, as I said, you can ask the questions. So now you see that it is giving you an option to ask question here. Now you can ask any question like what are the specific objectives. Along with that, you can also add notes, you can highlight, you can move this, you can add calendar, you can add some tasks. So if you are multiple authors, it is an amazing tool to communicate with each other and mark certain things. And here you can see that I can ask a question like give me thesis statement for this particular research paper, and it will give you. So this is how this tool simply 10x's your productivity. Do let me know if this tool worked out for you or not, and stay tuned for more such videos wherein I will be talking about the ethical use of AI tools in your research and assignments. Till then, bye bye.